Finding a rough stone and wondering if it could be a real diamond is an exciting experience. While professional gemological testing is always the most reliable method, there are several simple techniques you can try at home to get a preliminary idea. These methods are based on the unique physical and chemical properties of diamonds, such as their hardness, thermal conductivity, and brilliance. This guide will walk you through safe and practical ways to test rough diamonds at home using everyday tools. 1. The visual inspection test. Start by closely examining the stone with your eyes or a magnifying glass. What to look for. Rough diamonds usually have a dull, greasy luster. They often appear translucent rather than fully transparent. Natural shapes may look irregular, cubic, or octahedral. If the stone looks too shiny like glass or perfectly clear, it may not be a diamond. Number 2. The hardness test, scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material and can scratch most surfaces. How to test. Try scratching a piece of glass gently. A real diamond should leave a scratch mark. Be careful. This test can damage both the stone and the surface, so use it cautiously. 3. The fog test. This is one of the simplest methods. Steps. Hold the stone close to your mouth, breathe on it like you would on a mirror. Result, a real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly. Fake stones stay foggy for a few seconds. 4. The water test. Diamonds are dense and heavy compared to many other stones. Steps. Fill a glass with water. Drop the stone inside. Result, a real diamond will sink immediately. Some fake stones may float or sink slowly. 5. The heat, fire. Test diamonds can withstand high temperatures. Steps. Heat the stone for about 30 to 40 seconds using a lighter. Immediately drop it into cold water. Result, diamonds will not crack. Fake stones may shatter due to thermal shock. Use caution when handling heat. Number 6. The UV light test. Many diamonds react to ultraviolet light. Steps. Place the stone under a UV lamp. Result, real diamonds often glow blue. However, not all diamonds fluoresce, so this test is not definitive. Number 7. The transparency test. Place the stone over printed text. Result, if you can clearly read the text through the stone, it is likely not a diamond. Diamonds refract light strongly, making text difficult to see. Important tips. No single home test is 100% reliable. Some fake stones, like cubic zirconia or moissanite, can pass a few tests. Always combine multiple methods for better accuracy. Conclusion. Testing rough diamonds at home can be fun and informative, but it should only be considered a first step. If your stone passes several of these tests, it may be worth taking it to a professional jeweler or gemologist for confirmation.